So now we will add doors and windows to the every room that is in the drawing. To add doors and windows, come to this section, then position active building openings, then select different doors and windows already available. You can add whatever you want from the manual also. So let's take this door and drag and drop it here. You can move and adjust like this. You can scale this to adjust the size of the door, and let's rotate this. You can copy it and paste it, or direct you can drag it and drop it here. Now let's see in the 3D model once. See, the door is already installed. Like this way, we will complete all the door. So all the gates have been installed. Only one gate left for the entrance. So I'll pick a big one. Let's take this gate. Drag and drop it here. Now I have to place the windows for this, for the office. Let's take this window, square window. So doors and windows all have been placed. So now you can see in the 3D view all the door and the windows is installed properly. And this is the main gate, the big one. Another option we have here, cutout. Suppose in the building, suppose here in the toilet, if you want to leave a cutout here at this position of any shape, suppose rectangular, circular, polygonal, you can place it. Suppose circular cutout here in this spot. So if you see here from this direction, there is a hole. So you can place a cutout like this at any place wherever you want. of any shape, round, circular, polygonal, any shape you can make the cutout like this.